Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to block someone on Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open the Threads application. Make sure that you are logged into the app. The next step is to find a profile which you want to block. So we can find a profile either on the home page of the app. We can go to our followers list and find the profile there, or we can simply search for the profile. I'm going to search for a profile which I want to block. Now when you get to the person's profile, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen, and you want to click on them. Then this menu will pop up where you'll see a couple of options, and we want to tap on the block option. When you do that, you'll see this message here where it will say that this will block any accounts that they may have or create in the future. They also won't be able to message you and find your profile on Threads, and they also won't be notified that you've blocked them. Now keep in mind that if you block their profile on Threads, the profile will also be blocked on Instagram as well. So if you are sure you want to block them, simply tap on this block button, and that's it. That is how you can block people on Threads. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.